dear children, I am Samruddhi Bhosekar and today we are going to learn the phonic sound of letter T. Okay, and we have learned till now the sounds from letter A till S, and today we will learn T letter sounds. So children, before we start, please share, like and subscribe my channel. So here we start. Dear children, to understand the phonic sound of letter T, you have to imagine that you're playing badminton. How do we play badminton? We play badminton with a racket and a shuttlecock, right? So you have to just imagine that you are hitting the shuttlecock with a racket, okay? And when we do that, the sound which is being produced is T. What is the sound? It's T. T says T. T says T. T says T. 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 Like this. This is the sound of letter T. So let us practice this sound with a song. T says T. 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 T says T. T. Children. So you must have understood that the T letter sound is T. It's not T. It's T. Okay. And now we will practice some words which start with letter T. Are you ready? Wonderful. Here we go. T for tree. T, t, tree. T for tree. T for tortoise. T, t, tortoise. Beautiful. Dear children, we have learned today T letter word and sound of letter T. So dear children, we have learned the words as tree, telephone, train and tortoise. Now many of us mispronounce this word Tortoise as tortoise, but the correct pronunciation is tortoise. Tortoise, right? So you will not make this mistake. Yes? Correct. Thank you.